Right. Hope the lecture is being recorded. So we are doing Excel Module 2 or Chapter 2. You go to the bright space. Quick assignments. Scroll down until you see week 7. I have to do the other way. Assignment. So you open week 7, download the 2 files. One is the instruction file. The other is a data file. So please download 2 files on your computer. So this is the instruction file. And then data file. All right, so I open those. So make sure you have this Excel file opened. And then save the file as use your first name, last name. So the file name should be NP EX192A, your first name, your last name, _2. So to take file, save as, and you need to remember the location of your file. In my case, I save in this PC. The file name is in downloads, that's fine. So see, I have my name and change _1 to _2. I must see your name here. Please add your name here. And click Save button. And after that, click the author. Change my name to your name. Did you see here? This is my name. Change to your name. I give you a few moments to save the file, change my name to your name here. Okay, now we do the step 1. Step 1 give you a little bit context. Jennifer Williams is the business manager at Bergamot Urgent Care Clinic. Jennifer is adding formatting to the workbook she used to track statistics on patient visits to make it easier to read and use. Change the theme of the workbook to office. Change the theme of the workbook to office. So, change the theme. So go to layout, page layout. Page layout. under the theme change to office. Sometimes I would prefer you to, there are two office. One is just office. The other is office 2013, 2022. Please choose this one so that in the following steps, you won't have a problem finding the color. If in the step 4 or 5, you have problem finding the color, the chances is you pick this office. If you select the second office, office 20, you should have no problem finding the correct color, okay? So click the office 20 here. Okay, for those students just come in, we finished step 1, okay? You have to catch up. The good news is step 1 does not affect, it do affect the following steps, okay? Okay, questions? Step 2, switch to visits worksheet and format the headings. Then merge and center range A1, H1. So first, on the bottom, you have visits. On the bottom, quick visits. And then select A1, H1, A1, H1, A1, H1. Merge and center. Go to home. Under alignment group, you have merge and center, or directly from the merge and center icon, locate merge and center. Click it. Okay. So we finished step 2. Step 3, apply heading 1 style for A1, H1. Heading 1 style. Apply heading 1 style. So click this one. Font alignment. Heading 1, not this one. Try to find the heading 1. Cell style. Yeah, quick cell styles. Cell styles, heading 1. So heading 1 style. Oops, I have to click it. Heading 1 style. So we finished step 3. And step 4. Merge and center A2, H2. Select A2, H2. Then click merge and center. Make sure home tab is selected. Then click merge and center. Questions? Step 5. Change the background color of A4, B5 to gray accent 3, lighter 80%. A4, B5. Select A4, B5 first. Don't worry about this number. It will come out automatically later. So first, select A4. Sorry. A4, B5, yes. Select A4. We are in step 5. Select A4, B5. Then background color is here. Again, make sure home tab is selected. Then gray, accent 3, 7th column, second row. Seventh column. Yeah, this one here, 7th column, second row. Gray, accent 3, lighter 80%. After that, looks like you still cannot see the content here. So that's because the width of column B is not wide enough. So we need to increase the width of column B. Put your mouse between column B and column C until you see two-headed arrow. Click and drag to the right. Now you see the content. Just increase the width of column B by moving your mouse to the right. See, I can move my mouse. Step 6, format A4, A5 as bold. Select A4, A5, click bold. Step 7, format B4, B5. To use 2-digit month, 2-digit day, 2-digit year. Select B4, B5. Right-click your mouse. Right-click your mouse. Format cells. Now you have this dialog box. And then date, format, 2-digit, month, day, year. Looks like I do not have exactly this one here, slash. So I'm going to, you can also use another one, okay? Months. Maybe you can select this one, because I don't have the slash. So this is the month, day, year, and click OK button. Step 8, format A7H8 as italic. A7H8, A7H8. Then click italic button. Questions? Step 9. Apply horizontal center to the content A7H8. So select A7H8 first. A7, I already selected, right? A7H8. Then horizontal center. Under alignment, after you do this, make sure A7H8 is selected. Right-click your mouse, format the cells. Format the cells. And then click Alignment tab. You see horizontal center, horizontal, down pointing arrow, select center. Horizontal center. Click OK button. So horizontal center. We finished step 9. Step 10. Change background color. A7H7 to orange. Accent to lighter 60%. First, select A7H7. A7H7. And then click this down pointing arrow for same color. And this one, not this the orange. 6 column. This column, third row, orange. Accent 2, lighter 60%. And then step 11, change background color of B8, D8 and F8H8 to orange, accent 2, lighter 40%. So in this step, we need to do the background color for 2 range. So we need to select non-adjacent data at the same time by using Control K, CTRL. There is a CTRL on bottom left corner on your keyboard. So first we select B8, D8, B8, D8. Then press and hold down Control CTRL, Control, and select F8H8. Release your mouse. See my hand free. Using Control, you select non-adjacent data range at the same time. And then click the background color. Select orange, accent 2, lighter 40%. 6 column, 4th row. finish step 11. Step 11. Step 12. Merge and center A7, A8. And then center the content of the merged cell vertically. So first, select A7, A8. A7, A8. Then click Merge and Center button. After that, vertically centered. So right-click your mouse, format the cells, vertical down-pointing arrow, select the center. Click OK button. Okay, so I finished step 12. Step 13, merge and center E7, E8, and then center the content of the merged cell vertically. So first, select E7, E8, E7, E8. Then click Merge and Center button. After that, right-click your mouse on the selected cell. Click Format Cells. And then under vertical down-pointing arrow, select Center. Click OK button. All right. So we finished step 13. Step 14. Merge and center B7, D7. And then merge and center F7, H7. So first, select B7, D7, B7, D7, D7, no, B7, D7, B7, D7. Select B7, D7, then merge and center. Click it. Next, select F7, H7, F7, H7. And then click Merge and Center. So we finished step 14. Step 15. Jennifer would like to spruce up the table data. Change the background color of the range A10, H10 to white, background 1, darker 5%. Select A10, H10. A10, H10. Go the same color, down pointing arrow. So the first column, second row is white, background 1, darker 5%. So click it. And then repeat for range A12, H12. This time, I try to use format pointer because it said repeat, okay? So I'm going to select A10, H10 first, then I will click this format pointer, and then I will use format pointer select A12, H12, okay? So let's do it. Select A10, H10, A10, H10, then click format pointer. Click it. After you click it, see your mouse attached to a format pointer. Use this, select A12, H12, A12, H12, release your mouse. You see, you got exactly the same format. When you use the format pointer. Of course, you can repeat yourself, okay? But this is another way. Format pointer means repeat the previous format. Questions? Right? So this is step 15. Step 16. In range F9, H12, apply percentage number format with 0 decimal. So first, select F9, H12, F9, H12, then percentage with 0 decimal. Somewhere here, you click percentage under number group, click percentage. It is automatic without decimal. If you want to increase decimal, you click this button. See? This one increase decimal, and this one decrease decimal. But we have no decimal. Okay? In case you need to increase or decrease, it is here. Right. So we finished step 16. Step 17. Use highlight cells rules, conditional formatting to format cells in G9, G12 with value less than 6%, using light red fill with dark red text. So we want to highlight. If the value less than 6%, we want to use light red fill with dark red text. But first of all, let's select G9, G12 first. G9, G12, select. So we want to highlight any cell less than 6% with light red fill, dark red text. Select G9, G12 first. Make sure Home tab is selected. Under Styles group, down pointing arrow. Click this down pointing arrow for conditional formatting. Then select the first item, highlight sales rows less than and typing 6%. It automatically give me 6. If you do not have 6, typing 6% here. And then make sure light red field with dark red text is selected. If not, you click down pointing arrow, select light red field with dark red text. And then click OK button. You see we have 2 cells less than 6%. We highlight those. This is conditional formatting. Question for step 17. Step 18, for the merged range A17, A23, rotate the cell content to 0 degree and then change indent to 2. First, we select A17, A23 here. Select A17, A23. Right-click your mouse. Right-click your mouse on the selected cell. Format cells. And now, click Alignment tab. 0 degree here. Did you see the degree? You type in 0 instead of 45, 0. Type in 0 here. And then indent. Type in number 2 or select number 2. Indent. Then click OK button. We finish step 18. Step 19. Find and replace all instances of the text INS with insurance. So basically, we are asked to use find and replace. Click anywhere in the worksheet. And then we try to find and replace. Yes, here. Make the home tab is selected. Under editing group, you have this icon, find and select. Click the down pointing arrow. Click the down pointing arrow. Then click replace. Mark user. Try to find which one is found and replace. We need this one, found and replace. They found what? Typing INS, found INS. Then replace with insurance. INSURANCE, insurance. And found replace all. So you have 2 replacements. Questions? So click OK button, click close button. See, we found here, insurance here, two replacement here and here. So that is step 19. Step 20, format workbook for printing. Insert a page break to start a new page at row 14. Insert page break on row 14. So select row 14, click number 14, insert, click insert. No, click number 14 and then page layout, then the breaks down pointing arrow, insert page break, put on page layout menu, breaks down pointing arrow, click down pointing arrow, select, insert page break. Okay, so we finished insert page break, step 20. Step 21, set margins to narrow. Again, page layout, down pointing arrow for margins. By default, it is normal. Now we need a narrow. So click narrow button. So we finished step 21. Step 22. Set row 1 and 2 as print titles. Set row 1 and row 2 as print titles. How do I set row 1 and 2 as print title? So select row 1, row 2. Under page setup, you have a print title. Make sure page layout is selected. Page layout, then under page setup group, click print title. And then, did you see print titles section, rows to repeat at the top? Now, click your mouse here. See this? Where's my mouse? And then use your mouse to select row 1 and row 2. Or manually typing $1, column, $2. Manually typing or use your mouse to select. Then click OK button. So when you print, the title is row 1 and row 2 as title. Last step. Create custom footer. In the left section, display current page number. Use header footer element. In the center, display sheet name. So, insert footer. Right. So, insert footer. So, click insert. Header and footer. Insert header and footer. Okay. Looks like not this one. I don't see the dialog. So, okay, I undo it. Okay, go to footer. Not here. It is not this way, but how can I undo? I want to undo it. Okay. Looks like it's not going that way. Insert. Create custom footer. Go page layout. Footer. Anyone found a custom footer? If you go home. Bar. Search the search for headers and footers, then brought me to a new ribbon. Okay, thank you. I'll try to, I will follow your steps, but I want to try. They should have a direct button somewhere here, insert footer. But if I click insert, header and footer not work because we tried that. Insert, not insert, looks like page layout. Page layout. It is not in page layout. Like the small. And you see the word page setup? Page layout. Right. Not here. So undo it. This one. No, this like the page layout and then page setup. Page layout. Yeah, page layout, page setup, and then there's like a really tiny arrow on the right side of the page. Page layout, and then I need to see a little dialog box. So what I did is I go to insert. And then I click text, the header and footer. And then I click that. And then I go to the footer option, click on the header and footer. And I click the down arrow for footer on the left side. Yeah. And then I choose the page number on the second one. This one?
Yeah.
Okay.
Then
Number.
once you're done, it should show up. That's what happened to me.
Okay. That's good work, but it's not what I expect. So I'm going to undo it.
What I did was, if you go to page layout,
Yeah, I think page layout.
see at the bottom of the page setup, there's the more options. Yeah, right
Yeah,
there.
this is the one I'm looking for.
Yeah.
Thank you. Yeah.
Header and
So everybody, page layout, you have to click this arrow key here. You see this arrow. Page layout, this arrow key. This is I'm looking for. We need this. Thank you so much. Okay. We need this.
Find it too.
We need this. And then you click header footer. And then custom footer. This is I'm looking for. We need this. Okay. And then we follow the instruction here. Left session. I cannot see the instruction. Left in the left, display current page number. In the center, display sheet name. So left, current page number. So this button is insert current page number. Okay, current page number is here. Display the current page number. Here. Click this button. Now click the center. Insert the center display sheet name. This is sheet name. This is file name. We need a sheet name here. This. Insert sheet name. And click OK button. And then click OK button again. Okay. All right. So that is part of the 3%. We haven't finished yet. We finished this project, but I have to send you some summary work. Read chapter 2 and write down 7 things you have learned. Okay. But before that, I need to stop. And I need to, there are some students, I missed your attendance. Okay, give me 1 second. Where is the stop button? Stop. No. Stop recording. Stop.